how to change email signature in Outlook Office 365. If you want to change your email signature on Outlook, first of all log into your Outlook email account. Once you go to outlook.live.com/mail and you log into your Outlook account, this is the interface you will see, where you just have to click on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and from there on the left hand side you want to go to the option called account. From account, there you'll find the option called signatures. From signatures, over here you simply have to go ahead and then enter a new signature name, and then after that your default signature will be set for new messages or for replies or forwards. Then just like that, you can tap the save button from the top right to save and change your signature. This way you can change your email signature on Outlook. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.